My soapbox, I am much for the abolishment of daylight saving time.
Okay.
That's for a different
for a different time.
Different show.
Yeah, we'll get to that some other time.
Yes, we will.
But now for weather.
Okay, so we're talking about a very cool day today. Lots of sunshine, though. Crystal clear. You're going to be hard-pressed to find any sort of cloud cover at all for today. This picture in Summerton shows it. Mid-50s, though, 54 degrees, starting to warm up a little bit. The winds have started to pick up just a bit out of the north at 10 miles an hour. We do think the winds, though, will relax for tonight, and that will lead to more frost on the ground. The frost didn't form last night and early this morning because the wind stayed up. But once the winds relax tonight, I think you're going to start to see some frost develop, especially very early in the morning tomorrow. So 40s right now for most, but a few spots in the low 50s. And those winds will continue out of the north until we get to the evening hours and you start to see the winds relax. Very slow wind, very light wind for tomorrow morning, and that's when you'll start to see some of that frost. So any sensitive vegetation, if you've got plants outside that need to come inside or get covered, please do that. Make sure your pets are inside too. This is not a pipes freezing and bursting kind of morning. We're going to be right at freezing or just below, just like we were this morning, so no need to worry about that, but we want to make sure everyone stays warm for tonight. And there is another freeze warning in effect until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now, the counties that you see shaded in the light blue, they're going to get close to freezing, but most of them will stay just shy of that number, 33s and 34s. So a frost advisory has been issued for them. But I think everyone has a decent chance, if they remain calm as far as the winds go, I think that has a decent chance to see some patchy frost develop in their neck of the woods. And temperatures tomorrow will be just a smidge warmer than they will be for today. I think mid 50s for today, maybe a few upper 50s and close to 60 for tomorrow. So add maybe 2 or 3 degrees to your high temperature today, and I think that's what you'll have for tomorrow afternoon. And the mild air does begin to slowly come back into the forecast. The cool air, the really cool air, retreats back to the north. Mild air starts to make a comeback, and then we'll start to feel that by Monday and Tuesday of next week. And we really don't have much in the way of rain chances either. It's going to be a very quiet week ahead for us after we get past the weekend. And don't forget, like we've talked about, make sure to fall back. Those clocks roll back an hour Saturday night before you go to bed. Monday and Tuesday, a few more clouds around and much milder. And then you see that very small rain chance on Thursday. Of course, we're 6 days away. We'll have to fine-tune that forecast as we get closer. Stay with us. More when we get back.